Hey Kansas City, it's that time again for our market update and the question of the month. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, bringing you this month's market update stats from the Country Club Plaza. First, let's start with the question of the month. It seems like houses are for sale longer, is that correct? Well, yes, it sure is. Not that 20 days is a long time, however, we've gotten used to 24 hours. The new Kansas City average is 20 days, is definitely an increase from what we've been used to. In fact, we are looking at an 11.1% increase in the time when a house starts showings to when it goes under contract. Now, what else is new in the Kansas City housing market? Let's take a look. There are 5,371 homes that are for sale versus a year ago with 5,366, so only a 0.1% increase. However, with less buyers currently looking for a home, the supply compared to the demand has actually increased 7.1%. Now, the average sale price is 11.3% over what prices were last year the same time in August. For example, in Kansas City, the average price was $306,000, competing with this August of $342,000. So, sellers are still getting a strong return on investments and buyers are competing with fewer buyers. Are you thinking of making a move? Call or text us today to see if this is the right housing market to buy, sell, or invest in real estate.